Ukusukela ngoNhlaba angama-28 amaloli asengqongqoshe umlilo kuleli kukholakala ukuthi umsindo ususwa ukuqashwa kwabokufika kulomkhakha. UNgqongqoshe wezezisebenzi uthi lokhu kuwubugebengu futhi kuwukubukela phansi ukufukulwa komnotho wakuleli osuvele udonsa kanzima ngenxa ye-COVID-19.
We are saying this will definitely undermine the economy of the country. Prior to the lockdown, we had conducted joint campaigns in the companies, working together with the police, with the Home Affairs and SARS, and 33 companies were charged and even fined who had not respected the laws the way they had employed the people.
UNgqongqoshe ugcizelele ukuthi abantu bokufika banawo amalungelo abavikelayo noma ngathiwa bakuleli ngokungemthetho.
The foreign nationals, legal or illegal, they do have rights under the various conventions, even under our own constitutions. There has been a lot of cases which have gone into court. They do have the rights, even the right to work.
Leli thimba longqongqoshe elisungulwe uMengameli libandakanya ongqongqoshe abangwe-10. Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal yisona esihamba phambili ngezigameko zokushiswa kwamaloli kuleli.